Welcome to the Pirls Stock Market Commentary video, your weekly window on stock market technical conditions, featuring the proprietary bull bear point and figure market breadth summary chart for June 16th, 2019. Market breadth. With this past week's market advance, our bull bear point and figure ratio at 0.76 rose from 0.72 last week. The total count of securities in bullish or bearish patterns decreased 1% to 3,010. The count of bearish stocks decreased 4%, while the count of stocks in bullish patterns increased 2%. The Pirls PNF market breadth summary chart shows us a market now 5 weeks in bearish territory. Paid subscribers have access to the Open Office Calc data from which the chart is generated. You may become a paid subscriber by emailing S2P Market Signal at protonmail.com for payment and access instructions, or by visiting patreon.com/S2PMS. To subscribe to the weekly Pirls Stock Market Commentary via email, free of charge, simply enter your email address in the space provided and click Follow. The well-known market breadth indicator, the Nasdaq McClellan Summation Index, rose 65 points for the third advance in 15 weeks. At a negative 265.24 points, it continues below all 7 tops above plus 100, has formed a new June 2019 bottom, has risen back above the August 2017 bottom, and continues above the remaining 2 bottoms below minus 100 in the last 30 months. Volume analysis. In this week's volume analysis, the Nasdaq Composite Index ended in neither accumulation nor distribution mode, with average daily volume lower than the prior week. In the last 2 weeks, the Nasdaq had 1 accumulation day and 2 distribution days. Accumulation days are counted when the index closes up on higher volume than the prior market day, while distribution days occur when the index closes down on volume higher than the prior market day. Last week, the Nasdaq ended in neither accumulation nor distribution mode on higher average daily volume. Momentum. The CCI 20 daily, now in a Woody's downtrend, is at a positive 69.70, up from a positive 32.95 last week. The CCI 20 daily is now outside the plus or minus 50 range for a Woody's zero line reject short entry signal. In Woody's CCI trading system, 6 consecutive bars above or below zero are required for a change of trend. The weekly CCI 20 of the Nasdaq Composite Index began a Woody's uptrend 13 weeks ago, while the daily CCI 20 began a Woody's downtrend 5 weeks ago. The CCI 20 weekly in a Woody's uptrend at a positive 43.33 rose from negative 16.18 last week. Last week at Friday 6/7 close, it formed a Woody's zero line reject long entry within the plus or minus 50 range required. We will continue following this trade simulation in next week's commentary. Industry rotation the last 2 weeks. All of the top 5 industries are positive, and only 2 of the bottom 5 are negative. Summary: S&P Retail and some tech on the top. Oil Services, Oil, and some tech on the bottom. Bullish, S&P Retail and Comp Tech have entered the top 5. Semis continues in the top 5. Oil Services and Oil continue in the bottom 5. Computer hardware has left the bottom 5. Gold and silver has left the top 5. Bearish, disk drives has re-entered the bottom 5. Networkers has left the top 5. Focus this week from Greg Hunter's USA Watchdog YouTube channel. Guest Wayne Jett explains how to survive the coming chaos with precious metals, which includes an explanation of President Trump's international trading strategy. Legal and financial expert Wayne Jett says, quote, "The key to your financial stability between this side of the chasm and the other side of the chasm is owning metals, owning gold and silver. These are most likely the types of things that will hold their real value. Therefore, on the other side of the chaos of this chasm, when you declare the present currency system has ended, I think the president is trying to make the period of uncertainty as short as possible between the time when the old currency dies and the new currency is in place." End quotes. When is this going to happen? Is it before or after the 2020 election? Jett predicts, quote, "I think it is before the 2020 election. I don't think we can make it that long, especially with the global cabal trying to start a world war or trying to have a currency failure right now." End quote. Join Greg Hunter as he goes one-on-one with Wayne Jett, founder of ClassicalCapital.com. Thank you for watching this week's Santu Pirls Stock Market Commentary video featuring the proprietary Bull Bear Point and Figure Market Breadth Summary Chart compiled by Donald Pearl. S2P Market Signal at protonmail.com. For Santu Pirls Stock Market Commentary, I'm Cynthia Pearl, hoping that you have been enjoying a peaceful and pleasant weekend, that you've had a great Father's Day, and that you are looking forward to a prosperous and productive week coming up. To you all, we wish true success.